The other pack looks pretty good. See if we can find something flat and something that's away from the wind. Hit a fork in the road and we took a right on my advice, so we'll see if it was good advice or not. We're going downhill and that's what we want to do. We want to get further down in out of the wind is the idea here, so we'll see. Watch out. Until the water comes through here at some point. It's muddy, muddy. A little bit of snow. We could go down here and then back up that way, or we can go down that way.
Probably that way is probably
yeah. So he says. Oh yeah. Oh, it's even worse here. Stay off the trail there. Whoa, it's a bit muddy. Let's go this way. If you're comfortable, I think I'm gonna go up this way though. I wanna avoid the mud. So there's a clearing here. It's flat down there, right here. And I think we're gonna put tents up here. This is the campsite. It's so calm down here now. Yeah, I mean, it was calm.
I guess I get phone sick.
Yeah, I guess we're not that remote, I guess. Gotta get more remote than that. Spoke too soon. Tent update. Everything pretty much set. Ooh, Andy's looks real nice and comfy in there. Now we gotta get some rocks. We're gonna put a fire pit right about right there. Yeah, so it's time to go get firewood and get rocks for fire pit. Andy's already finding some. Oh, I better watch my step. Now these other big things aren't rocks, just so you know. They might work. They might work. Perfect, look at that, nice little fire pit. Fire started, Andy's got a good teepee there going. Probably can see these a little bit, but we got the lights. Andy got brought some pretty cool lights set up, tent set up. Sun's going down a little bit, but yeah. Put some firewood in, oh that's perfect. Nice safe area for it. Leave the fire there. Lights look pretty good too. The coyote 6 a.m. wake up call.
That was, like you said, that's pretty spectacular.
It is really cool. Morning time. There goes the water. No. We gotta get some breakfast
going. What I don't like about these shoes is when you tie them to this loop.
Yeah, and now they'll be activated too. Sun's coming up. And he's got the fire covered, and we got breakfast going. Bacon, hash browns, oatmeal.
Just about stayed warm enough to avoid being frozen.
It did. A bit of a
Head
freeze this morning, yeah, drinking out of mine. All right, oatmeal, water, and then it's gonna go on those. We'll close that up. Then the fire, we've got the bacon in the foil and the hash browns in the pan. Well, only a little blackened on the hash brown on one end, but there's breakfast.
Yeah, hash browns are definitely not kid approved.
Yeah. No, yeah.
Yeah, the bacon's definitely got a very unique flavour from the smoke on the fire, so it's good.
All right, there's the camp spot, and we're hiking to the truck. Back to the truck. We're gonna refill some water, explore a little bit. There's this other campsite that's on the map I want to check out. That's a ways down that I haven't been out that way. We have to off-road out there a bit to get and see it though. It's a good looking campsite out there. The tundra, tough terrain. Whew. We're in Jeep territory over here. All right, so we've come upon this other camp spot. It's pretty cool. It's all within these rocks, which is really neat. I wonder how well it breaks the wind. Not the flattest. It's not too bad right here, but a little rocky. Good spot for overlanding at.
Yeah, just had a bit of excitement.
Yeah.
Woo, yeah.
We've yet to be able to see our campsite, which is a cool thing because it's really well hidden down in here. We're on a mission to find it. And I think this peak here along this ridge, we'll be able to see it. There it is, way down there. All right, so we jumped down that. We ended up jumping down. I slipped down it, but Andy jumped down it. I found the one piece of ice. Maybe that'll be Andy's boulder.
You were hoping I'd find some ice. I know it.
This is a fun hike down. It'll be fun climb up actually too. Whoa, that boulder right there, the one I fell on. Yeah, we scaled that all the way down.
Oh, this one.
Back to the campsite. Yeah, right there. Let me see if I can zoom. There's that boulder way up there. Now we're gonna go follow the trail that will bring us way around the other side up the ridge, back over there, up there. Yeah, it would actually be neat to see on a rainy day a little bit of water. I mean, we can see it way down in the valley there too, where it would. All right, just take a quick chill out here. Not a nap, but lay down, hanging out. But I hear Andy out there getting ready to get some firewood going, so I think I'll get my ass up too. There we go.
Sorry.
I'm just watching, Andy's doing all the work. I haven't cut a single log. I've just been hanging out. You can tell a guy who knows his inventorying. We've got A pile, B pile, C pile, and a D pile over there.
Oh yeah.
Sorted by max diameter and
Dryness.
Dryness, yeah. All right, you can't see it.
I can.
He can. There, you can see it. That's our camp security tripwire, the 209 primer. All right, Andy's the intruder into the campsite. That scares someone away. We're mudding through the ravine, doing a little shed hunting, but more than anything, just exploring here. we're gonna try and find like a different way up back to the road where the truck's at. But first we wanted to explore the ravine, which is freaking sweet. So we finally came back out and we kind of ended up by the road, by the bear. So there's this nice carved bear. It's got a little war paint. It's seen a little war. Mountains, mountains, mountains. Got Andy and his well-deserved beer here. We decided to hit up Bar and Grill for dinner so we could really get our tummies filled for the night. We're coming back in from the bar, getting back down into the sticks after getting some dinner. So we'll see. It's pretty quiet. There isn't anybody yet that we can see. Now we just have to get down the old off-road here. And then we got to hike out to the campsite, get that fire going.
We're all prepared for that.
Yeah, we are. Thanks to Andy doing all the work to get everything ready.
Ready to go. All the sticks and the grass.
All right, getting all set to go back with headlamps. So we'll do a night hike in. It'll be fun. On the way to hunt our local skinwalker. What was that? Yeah, Andy didn't know anything about skinwalkers. Well, he's about to learn tonight. Yeah,
They got nothing on me.
Made it. As we reached it at night here. And don't forget the tripwire. We'll have to see if anybody's coming and caught at our campsite. I don't see any unfamiliar footprints. Let's check the tripwire.
There's the tripwire.
Still intact. We had nothing to worry about. Everything's here still. Look at this fire going. Andy so thoughtfully made sure we were prepped. Look at that. Time to get a fire going. Oop, let there be fire. All right, nighttime update before I keep Andy up. We sat around the fire, pretty much crushed the whiskey. I'm about to finish the rest of that there, and winds picked up a little bit, to be honest. Super calm earlier, but I'm gonna finish the fire out here and get it put out, and then I'll try and get sleep myself. Morning breakfast. Got some stuff frying up. Sun's coming up a little bit. Andy survived another night. Bacon. Kind of similar breakfast, but man, we're ready to eat, so. All right, so breakfast was had. I started to tear down the tent a little bit. I'll take the vestibule down so it's a little easier to get in. Use a thermarest and kneel on. Yeah, start closing up camp here. It was an awesome weekend, obviously. Can't wait to come out here. We got some other ideas of awesome things to do out here. We're gonna bring a drone out next time, I think. Maybe do like a campsite flyover. I really like this campsite. It's you know, pretty. I mean, we've been very minimally impactful on the area, which is great. It's one of the only flat spots in this entire area, as you can tell. I mean, everything's mostly got some sort of incline to it. So let's get this tent torn down and we'll get everything packed up, and then it's a hike on out. So all right, look at that. Clean. There's Andy all packed back up. Me too. You can see. Looks like a lot, but it's actually a ton more lighter without all that water. And he get a second guess, I think, of walking that way. This is where he set the tripwire up, but that's gone now. So safe to walk through. Now we're head back to the truck. So learning something new every time and how it can do something differently. So, and this time I think it'll be a little drier, more frozen, so we won't get so muddy on the way out. Oh, and he's got cell service now. His phone's ringing. And we emerge back to the truck. So that's it for this camp. Hope you enjoyed it.